Here object between C and F. C is denoted center of curvature and F is denoted principal focus. Here ray diagram. First of all, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into fascinating world of light and optics, especially ray diagram. Whether you are a student or science enthusiast or just curious about how light behaves when it hits mirror lenses, this video will break the problems about the ray diagram. Okay, so grab notebook and light things off here. And if you new, you can subscribe this channel. Here the question, C and F. Object is between C and F. C is denoted center of curvature, F is denoted principal focus. That is curved mirror. We have to complete this diagram. First of all, we have to look up this rule. Look, we have to understand this rule. Infinity. You can learn this diagram and practice often. Infinity 1, 2, and C upon C. 3 between C and F. 4, F at 5 and 6. And here when the object at 6, the image is formed at here. Look properly at here. If image is between C and F, object is formed at here, beyond C, beyond center of curvature. You can learn this diagram easily. This rule will help you easy to determine where the object is formed or what are the nature of image. Here, example. This rule must help us. Look out here. We can use a scale to complete this. Here, first of all, parallel light is reflected. Parallel light is reflected through principal focus. This is also reflected through principal focus. Images from here according to rule. Here 4, here 4, here 4. To check our diagram, is it correct or incorrect? This diagram is correct. In figure, you can see AB equal to object. That is A prime, B prime equal to image. We can write conclusion. The image is formed same side of mirror at beyond C. C represent center of curvature. The nature of image are here. We can see inverted. As we know, inverted image always real, and we can see image is bigger than the object and magnified. Here we can write okay. Here this rule is very important. If you know this, you can complete this diagram easily. Here image is from 4 or if image is here, image is always from at here focus. If image is beyond C, image is always from between C and F. If image is center of curvature, the if object is at center of curvature, the image is also from at center of curvature. If object is at focus, the image is formed at infinity. Here we can see easily. And if image is at here between F and P, principal focus and pole of the mirror, the image will form here. This rule is very important. If you learn this properly, you can complete this diagram in few minutes or few seconds. I hope this video helped you understand how light travels, reflects and refracts. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more cool science content. Okay, thank you for watching and keep. You can write this rule on your note copy so you remember